y'all know how to find a good watermelon? Is it really organic, or are they just upping the price and putting organic on it so that people can spend a little bit more money and think they get something different? We got them black seeds.
How is it?
I'm just here to serve and come as my authentic self, and whatever that cultivates is fine with me. Peace and love. I am at Sprouts, and today I am doing some juicing. I want to juice me some watermelon, some black seeded watermelon, some pineapple with a little lime or lemon inside of it. Sometimes it's really hard to find watermelon that has black seeds in it, or that's seeded in general, and this is a store for me that I can find the black seeded watermelons, as well as just some good fruit that is made by a good farmer. And what is my sister doing in my car? I don't know, but I got the children with me today, and we about to go in Sprouts and get us some fruit, and I'm also about to make some other content as well. But this video specifically is about juicing some watermelon and some pineapple and just making some juice instead of going to buy some juice that somebody else made and they're adding extra ingredients and extra sugar into it. And so what I'm doing is summertime, I'm utilizing the fruits that are in the season, and we going to Sprouts. So let's go. So we're going to Sprouts. You're welcome. Hi guys, I need a basket.
Thank you.
Just carrying that watermelon. Let's see how good my cameraman is. In Sprouts. It feels real good up in here because it's like 90 degrees outside. And you know, they do have yellow seeded watermelon, but I never found those here at Sprouts. So I'm just gonna get the red ones with the black seeds in it. My music is playing. So I do need, I'm gonna get 3 lemons. They looking real shiny. Y'all know, you know, sometimes they be putting extra little shine on these fruits to make it look pretty. It's not good for you. Where's the watermelon?
Non-existent.
I see, look, seeded watermelon right there. You see that? He in here. So, the way that I'll be liking to find the watermelon, y'all know how to find a good watermelon? You gotta pat it sometimes to see if there's any like air in it. This is actually a really good one. The first one I picked. Definitely go with Spirit Guide. And this is a pretty decent size seeded watermelon. So when we cut this open, I better see some black. And there's organic fruit and there's non-organic fruit. I try to go for the organic. Sometimes I be thinking like, is it really organic, or are they just upping the price and putting organic on it so that people can spend a little bit more money and think they get something different? But just to be sure, I'm gonna get the organic anyway. And I want to get one that's already ready. So you can kind of tell by the bottom and the color. Like this one is really, really ready. Like if I bought this, I need to cut this today or tomorrow. But I really want, I think I'm gonna go with this. Organic, super sweet, and it's definitely probably gonna be super sweet. And I only need one. This is all I need to make that juice. 3 limes, I said limes. This is all I need to make that juice. 3 lemons, 1 watermelon, 1 pineapple. Let's go check out. Watermelon.
You get keep this watermelon.
Oh, okay. No, that's get everything. These ain't mine. These kids, they want to snack, so I'll give them some snacks. You ain't gotta get that.
You had to specify.
Yeah. How are you? I'm well.
Seeded watermelon?
Yes. How's your day going?
Going good.
Pretty well. So I am back at home and I am about to juice my watermelon, my pineapple juice, or my pineapples into juice, and some lemons as well. And we're just gonna get this started. I'm gonna put some music over this part and allow you guys to just watch and see how I do this. Peace. I've never had it get stuck like this. It's trying to test me. We got them black seeds. That's what I'm talking about.
Very, very red.
Very, very red.
What is the difference between the black seeds and the white seeds?
The black seeds are closer to the original watermelon.
It's a very good watermelon.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm not spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind. Shit, I should've came from you. Should've best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of those chains that be a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I leave my almost feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good. Living in my mind, hold me on my fears, my name. I really want to know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really want to stay. I really want to know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. as you.